What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Wednesday, June 3rd. So this is my entry. I nearly got stopped out, but with this speed and efficiency at 9:40 and how we closed above, it seems that I have a chance to have another winning day, right? But we'll see. Basically for the trade, the 15 minute, I marked what I need to mark, right? 5 minutes, same thing. Right there we have this inverse and we have this regular gap, right? When we have those two, I consider this very strong position for an entry. So what did we do? Market open, we ripped all the way up to London highs, but then I didn't get any setups, right? We dumped all the way down to London lows, and then we inversed this 1 minute and we created this regular gap too, right? So my entry is right there, stop loss is underneath. I won't place it right there, right? It's right there. Either I win, I lose, it doesn't matter, right? I'm already up 19k in payouts, right? I'm just waiting for them to send it via Wise, which is taking some time. I don't know why, but it's whatever, right? So yeah, at some point I was up a 1-to-1, but I don't care, right? And I'm still lucky. You guys seen that? I'm supposed to get I'm supposed to have lost already, but yeah. Let's see. I'm still good. Okay. But yeah, I don't care. Whatever happens, right? Right now I can be like, oh, should I close? I don't care. Either I lose or I win, right? Doesn't matter. And perfect, I lost. Okay, so today, honestly, if I wanted to play safe, I could be like, okay, we have multiple gaps, right? So we have this bearish gap, this bearish gap, this bearish gap, right? So technically, if I want to play safe, it's just better to wait until I see more confirmation, right? But like I said, those two right there, plus we're at all-time highs. I have to take it, right? So it's a good trade, just it didn't play out. And it's okay, right? That's it, we lost. Perfect, 435 minus 435. Then I type whatever I felt today. Good entry with two confluence. Two confluences. But I see a lot of time that when we have multiple gaps like that, price can fully reverse. So careful, but still good trade. No problem. Simple as that. Now we're done. Yeah, simple as that, guys. Trying to see what actually happened. So, okay. So it seems like 9:35, 9:40. At 9:35, the close, we actually created a 5-minute higher time frame gap. So what happened? We tapped into get the gap and respected it, right? So that's why it's important to cycle between time frame, because this loss could have been avoided in a way. But it's okay, regardless, it's okay. Well, let's see if I can find anything else. Even though, yes, it's one trade a day and everything. We have this higher time frame, 5-minute gap right there. Then we have London low, right? Asia low, sorry. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the video. Either it's the end of the video or I'll pick back up if there's anything else. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or later.